And since this is for intermediates, maybe you can check out the roadmap, but it's not necessarily for you. What about a brand new person? Where do you usually point them?
So there's a question that I get a lot on my Twitter. So my Twitter messages are filled with the people asking, like the beginners asking, like, where should I start? So this is the question that I get the most. So mostly I have a copy pasted message that I've written, I paste it there.
Well, paste it to me in audio form here.
I would do that. So first of all, I normally recommend them. It depends upon the person. For example, if you want to be a front-end developer or the back-end developer, or if you want to get into the DevOps. So for the front-end developers, I normally say that just pick HTML. For example, look at any resource. For example, even W3 Schools is fine. Just go look at the HTML. Just spend a week or 2 weeks going through the HTML, learn the basics, learn how to create the forms, learn about the structure, and just get the basics out of the way. And just prepare like a couple of projects, the structure of some HTML pages of the websites. Then look at the CSS, for example, and then try to style these pages. For example, I asked them to copy Twitter homepage when you log in, for example, the login page. So when you have the form and all in the form of HTML, after the 2 weeks, when you're done with this, then, for example, style this form to look like the page that you copied. So do the pages, a couple of pages like this. Then, for example, pick the JavaScript and try to make it interactive. For example, the form that you made, try to show the validation messages. When the user clicks it, validate the login, username, and password, and show the message, like, for example, invalid username or password. Mm-hmm. And do a couple of exercises like this, for example.